putting in some onions today. I went back and bought some bulb onions this time instead of those slips I planted earlier. While you're here, click the thumbs up and subscribe. It don't cost nothing, it's free. The slips might live, but I wanted some more onions anyway, so I'm gonna plant me another row right beside this one, about 4 inches from it. Those were yellow onions. I got these white onions to plant with them too. I think he uses Texas sweets. What are you doing? He done drug another limb over here. He really likes limbs. Well guys, I'm here at the greenhouse this morning. Let's see how the seeds I planted, if they're starting to come up yet. Let's see what they look like. I hope they are anyway. There's a bunch of somethings coming up here, for sure. Oh, here's mine. These are my maters right here. See the little different color rocks in there? They're starting to come out. There's my cabbage, and it's breaking through the ground right now. That's good. I can't remember what this one was. This stuff's trying to come up. Just can't remember what it was. Peppers, I think. It's going to take them a while. It always takes those peppers 2 or 3 times longer than tomato plants. And cabbage usually comes right on. But these are these really came up. Remember when I showed you in the earlier video how old those seeds were? These are homesteads. I'm planting these homesteads just because I had the seeds, not for no particular reason. They're a good tomato, you know. I'm going to plant some big beef and German Johnson seeds here in just a second. I told you guys that before. I keep them in the freezer, but look at the date on that. 2013. And we'll see when they come up. If they come up, if the seeds were any good. Those seeds were 2013, 8-year-old seeds, kept in a freezer. And that's really good germination, looks like to me. There's 3 in one plant where I accidentally dropped too many seeds. Cool, huh? All right. And look what they've got growing out there. Lots and lots of stuff. Check it out. My row of peas is starting to come up too. See? Three more. There's a bunch of them. Here's some that the rain uncovered. They're still sprouting. And the whole row's like that. They're coming up everywhere down there. Pretty cool. We got a pretty good rain last night. that should be enough onions for me. I appreciate you watching the video. Give us a big thumbs up, subscribe if you will. Until we meet again, have a good day.